Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be checking out the new Cleef Arpels Lucky Spring collection, which is absolutely beautiful, as well as show you what I got from Chanel. And I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this vlog a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. I had a quick stop at Cleef Arpels to pick up something from my lovely essay, and I got to see this beautiful necklace. It's so stunning, such a gorgeous combination. For some reason, I have never seen the gray mother of pearl and diamond combination in 20 motif in a real life. It's absolutely beautiful. These two look so good together. And of course the ring. It looks amazing with the rose gold. I also saw this beautiful necklace. Previously, I tried on the 5 motif bracelet in this exact combination. I'll try to find the vlog and link it down for you in the description box below in case you want to have a look. Here is the previous Lucky Spring collection, which is so gorgeous and so popular. And I'm just gonna try on the new one. I'm waiting for the sales associate to bring it to me. By the way, the new collection has exactly the same earrings. However, they are in a yellow gold. I was told that the latest launch had less pieces, but there is so much demand on it, and also because it's in yellow gold, it's very popular. This necklace is so stunning. I tried it on in rose gold and guilloche, and I will add the link to the video in the description box below in case you have not watched it. Free Wall is one of my most favorite collections, and I think eventually I will end up completing this collection. I still want to get more jewelry. And by the way, I previously tried on so many pieces. I'll try to find these videos and link them down in the description box below in case you want to check it out. I was previously asked about the mini size, which is so cute, but even the sales associate has agreed that the vintage size looks so much better on me. I'm also not a big fan of studs because it's quite hard to close them. I prefer the vintage or the magic type of earrings because it's just so easy to put them on and take them off. That's why I mostly wear my Van Cleef vintage and magic size. Moving on to the new Lucky collection, the ring is so pretty. I love it. It's not in my size though, but it's stunning. I just love this combination. By the way, this one is in between the fingers ring. It looks very flattering. It's not too big, it's just nice. It also feels quite comfortable. This design is just so elegant and feminine. I love it. And I think it's great for everyday wear. I also saw this super cute bracelet, and it's the first time that I'm actually checking it out. In the past, the shade just washed me out, but since my hair color got a lot darker, it suits me so much more. It's really pretty. The design is so cute and so unique. Unfortunately, the butterfly bracelet was sold out, and I was told that there are at least 11 people queuing for pre-order. This is actually a necklace which I'll show to you as well. I'm just trying it on like the bracelet would look and how both of this would look together, and I just love this combination. It's so cute, so adorable. I feel like this necklace would look fantastic with jeans. It's just such a beautiful color. It would go with so many different shades, and I just love the way it looks. So feminine. By the way guys, which Lucky Spring collection version do you prefer? The very first one with the ladybug or with the butterfly? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm always very curious to see what you're going to say. I love reading your responses. These three jewelry pieces look amazing together. I just love this combination. It's so cute and so adorable. And here is the necklace on me, the longest length, and I'll show it to you in two different ways of how I would wear it. Actually, I wish I wore a different top, but I just want to show you anyways. I love the fact that the necklace has green and a blue and a white colors. These colors are so easy to match with many outfits, and even this top that I'm currently wearing, it still looks okay. This necklace is just so versatile. Initially, I did not expect to like it, but I have to tell you it's really cute in a real life and very different in my view. And I'll show to you the other way how you can wear it, and maybe this one is even cuter for a daily wear. It's so adorable, and you can even pair it with a pendant or a 10 motif necklace. Such a cute combination, but I feel like I would also get the matching earrings. I'm quite obsessed when it comes to matching colors and shapes. I feel like I always find something amazing to fall in love with. I'm just so obsessed with their jewelry and I never get tired of it. Anyways, guys, I'll come home and show to you a gift that I received from my lovely essay. Alright, I'm at home now and I'm just going to unbox what I got. My lovely essay gave me a champagne, which is so sweet of her. And also I got this box. Van Cleef Arpels is celebrating spring and it's so nice of them to prepare gifts for us. I'm so curious to see what is inside. I love Van Cleef Arpels packaging, it's always the best. This tray is so cute and I love it. And it's just gonna look fantastic with my Van Cleef Arpels jewelry. And of course the matching beautiful flowers, I love them. Flowers from Van Cleef Arpels are always the best. I also had a quick stop at Dior and I picked up something. I needed to buy a new eyeshadow and I just cannot find the color that they typically use from Chanel anywhere, even in Hong Kong. So I decided to have a look at Dior and I just love this shade. It's so beautiful. I think I'm gonna love it more than Chanel because this color is so perfect. Let's move on to Chanel unboxing, what I bought in Hong Kong. By the way, I have my assistant here. She's always so excited about all my unboxings. By the way, guys, I also registered Instagram account for her, so if you're interested in watching her updates, please consider to subscribe to her channel. And I'm just so excited that I finally have this pair of shoes because I've been looking for them for such a long time. The size was sold out in Singapore and I was on a waiting list, but I actually lost hope because it's been so many months. So I decided to try my luck in Hong Kong and they actually had it, which is amazing. I love these sling back loafers or whatever the name is. They are so comfortable. There are several variations of these loafers. There is a wider version and another one that has CC logo on the side instead of the buckle. But I love these ones the most. They are a bit more elegant and I love the fact that they can be adjusted easily because the strap is a bit wide and to make it comfortable I have to make it a bit more loose. These shoes are so versatile. They would look fantastic with skirts, with shorts, with trousers, with jeans, with dresses as well. And I'm planning to wear it with my maxi dress. I just love that look. I can also wear them with the socks to make the look a bit more edgy. I just love it so much. It's such a cool design and I love the way it looks with my bags as well. I can also pair them with my Van Cleef Arpels onyx jewelry to achieve the all black look, which is one of my favorites. They look great with the gold hardware and with the light gold hardware as well. And I think I can even wear them with the silver hardware. They look so good with everything. I also wish I could get these shoes in my size. They are absolutely beautiful and I think they would look fantastic with many of my outfits, but unfortunately they are too popular. I cannot find them in both countries, in Singapore and Hong Kong. Sales associates in Singapore told me that they literally got sold out in like 2 days after the launch. And I'm pretty sure that all the best sizes and the most popular ones were available to VIP customers first. I mean, that's how it used to be. I also love these shoes too. They are so cute. I would even get them as flats. Anyways, guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!